getting the breaking details in the last hour or so, and as you mentioned, we got the statement from the State Department spokesperson saying that they're pulling out basically, again, because of, quote, anti-Israel bias at UNESCO. And we already do have a response from the UNESCO director, Irina Bokova, who says, "I deeply regret the decision of the United States of America to withdraw from UNESCO. Universality is critical to UNESCO's mission to strengthen international peace and security in the face of hatred and violence to defend human rights." Now, there are certainly political factions within the United States who have long accused the United Nations of being anti-Israel, not just with respect to World Heritage, but to the politics of Middle East peace. And so I think we'll be learning more about that later today and see if we get a broader statement from the U.S. State Department at their briefing in a matter of hours.